In this video talk about beverage industrial design construction. Industrial design construction that not only meets your needs but also fosters can be a discouraging task. You might be struggling outdated designs, inefficient workflows, and compliance with industry regulations. Right industrial design construction can make all the difference, not just in aesthetics, but also in functionality and sustainability. That's where specialized beverage industrial design construction services come in. We understand the unique demands of beverage sector and offer tailored solutions that address your specific requirements. From innovative layouts that optimize workflows to materials that enhance energy efficiency, we create designs that your business forward. Team has the expertise navigate the complexities of beverage industry, ensuring your facility complies with safety and regulatory standards. Imagine a space where efficiency meets innovation, helping you streamline your processes while also being environmentally responsible. Contact us today for a free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.